Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve 4x4 Rubik's Cube in 5 minutes. Okay, goal is to get a cube from the scrambled cube. We get a cube looks like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. We have edges, center and corners, and just solve it like 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First step is make all centers. For this step you don't need algorithms, you need just logic. But now you can see how I am doing this. First I solve yellow and white center. After this you need to solve other centers like on 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Put yellow on the top and first orange, then blue, red and green. Now we can start with red. Then green. And for the end, blue and orange. Now we got all centers. Next step is edges. First you need to know how to make one edge, and after this you can make other edges with same algorithm. You need two same pieces, match it like this. No this, no this. And do the easy algorithm. That's it, you have first edge. Now repeat this on all edges. Now you can solve two edges with one algorithm. Last two edges, and yes, we got all edges. Now you just need to solve 4x4 like 3x3 Rubik's Cube. You have edges, corners and centers. And let's go. Okay, we have problem now. We can't make a yellow cross. You can fix it in one algorithm. Just follow my moves. Until you find your way back home. Yes, now we have a yellow cross. Let's finish the cube. Oh my god, one more problem. How to solve it? This problem you can fix with one very easy algorithm. Just follow my moves. Now you can solve it very easy. And we solved it. I hope you learned how to solve 4x4. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me in comments or watch tutorial again. This is always helpful. For and like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and cubing content, and see you in the next video. Bye!